Hi everyone, my name is Lucas, aka Heat Source, and I'm here today to show you 2-beat figure 8 variations. So this is intermediate, and I'd recommend first watching the 2-beat figure 8 tutorial before moving on to this video. Okay, so prerequisite, we know our 2-beat figure 8s, which is this, and we're doing these in wheel plane. Now from here, you can go with your swoop. Instead of swooping in front of you, you can swoop behind you. And the key to get this trick down pat is to make sure your wheel plane is nice and tidy on either side. If your Flowstar is at any point tilted, like this, you won't find that is a problem in front of you, but as soon as you go behind you, you're working with a lot less space. When you complete your beat, you've actually only got this little segment part of your body, and so that's why your plane needs to be nice and clean. When you're going behind you, you can either do it once, or what I like to do is to see if you can do it continuously. Make sure you're doing that with both hands as well. For this, we'll link up to double figure 8 videos, which I would recommend watching as well, once you've got this one. Other than doing it behind you, you can also do a Y split with your legs, and boom, and have fun with those. Something else I'd recommend is, instead of doing all these moves in wheel plane, do them in wall plane, like this. There's a bunch of fun moves that you can go from there, but that would be for another video. For now, I just want you to try on wall plane, then also behind your back and underneath the leg. That would be the summary of this video. So yes, if you like this video, please make sure to comment, subscribe, flick it a like, and if you have this down pat, I would recommend my advanced tutorial with double Flowstar, which is very exciting. I'll see you in the next one.